Now is IELTS speaking part 2. Describe a website that you bought something from. You should say what the website is, what you bought from this website, how satisfied you were what you bought, and explain what you liked or disliked about using this website.
Well, I got a cue card, so now I'm going to describe about a website that is named Daraz, which is very popular in my country. This website provides a lot of products. It's a package of every product what we need. For instance, it sells clothes, household items, everything. It has everything. So recently I have bought a cloth from here. They gave me a very fast service. It's a very renowned website in my country because this website not only help the shoppers but also help the businessmen who can get a good market through this website because they can put every item, every sort of item they want to sell that they cannot sell through in physical. They can sell it through the website. So I was really satisfied with the service they gave me because it was a very fast delivery service. Secondly, the authentic products and had a lot of option to choose, and I really had options to select the cost as well. I could select the products that cost less, and also it helped me to get discount, and most importantly I really like this website because of its authenticity. That's the main thing about this website.
Thank you very much. That is the end of IELTS speaking part.
Thank you, sir.